What will happen to your body if you walk every day? Isn't it nice to have a habit of walking every day? It's good to get outside and go for a walk while enjoying the morning or evening wind, seeing the trees changing from season to season and breathing in the fresh air. But is going for a walk every day genuinely helping you lose weight and improve your health? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will explain to you all you need to know about it. Assist with weight management. First of all, let me tell you that walking each day helps you properly manage your weight, and we all know that obesity is one of the major health problems in the world that can cause serious health conditions. If your primary objective is to maintain your weight and stay fit and active, walking daily can help, especially if you get in the right amount of steps per day. On average, getting in 10,000 steps per day, which is the equivalent to about 5 miles of distance, depending on the length of your legs and stride, has benefits for overall health and wellness. For those who enjoy keeping track, using a pedometer and counting your steps might be beneficial in achieving those 10,000 steps each day. Stepping from your car in a parking lot, walking stairs at work, or moving around to perform housework all count towards the normal distance of 10,000 steps. Want to lose weight? Add more steps. While 10,000 steps per day is an excellent aim for weight maintenance and overall health, if you want to lose weight, you must walk at least 15,000 feet each day. Aside from walking, you should do something more intense to utilize your muscles in the body. Here are a few essential actions you should take to turn your walking habit into an excellent workout. Walk faster. Measure yourself and see how long it would take you to walk 10,000 steps on average. Then choose a day and begin to strive to cover the same journey in less time. Walk harder. I would highly suggest that you squeeze your buttock and swing your hips to ensure that all 4 major muscle groups are activated. Moreover, it is also a better idea to take an incline walk. If you usually walk the same circle in the park or your area, try to discover a hill or a site with a higher gradient. You are boosting your cardio in this manner. Walk with carrying weights. Consider putting wrist weights or ankle weights. Start with 1 pound and gradually increase. If your muscles aren't adapted to it, starting with too much weight might result in injury. Moreover, you can also try taking a longer walk. If time is not an issue, allow yourself a bit of extra time to cover more ground. Improve your mental health. A regular walking routine may be beneficial to your health, and I don't mean your physical health. I'm also talking about your mental health. You get a feeling of success from burning calories. You may reduce your everyday stress, and you allow your body to generate natural hormones. Having a walking buddy with a regular set time can assist with multitasking. Get your exercise in while catching up with some friends. The hormones from our walks help us feel more motivated and have a better mentality for the remainder of the day. Strengthen your bones and muscles. Walking is a weight-bearing activity that strengthens and maintains healthy bones. It is a wonderful workout that is extremely important for your age. It not only improves bone structure, but also improves muscular strength, coordination and balance, which assists in the prevention of falls and associated fractures. Walking is the type of exercise that physicians often prescribe for those who are becoming aged, as well as those who have various disabilities. Most adults reach their maximal bone mass around the age of 35. Until this point, all bone that is lost is replaced. However, once you reach your body mass, less bone is restored, and you will slowly lose bone. Regular exercise, such as walking, can help prevent bone loss. You'll lower your risk of various conditions. Walking daily can not only help you maintain a healthy weight, but it can also help you avoid or manage a variety of ailments, such as cardiac disease, hypertension, and diabetes. Here are some facts and figures about running and walking. Running lowered the risk of first-time hypertension by 4.2%, whereas walking reduced the risk by 7.2%. Running lowered first-time high cholesterol by 4.3%, whereas walking reduced it by 7%. Running lowered first-time diabetes by 12.1%, compared to walking by 12.3%. Running lowered coronary heart disease by 4.5%, compared to walking by 9.3%. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Take care and stay tuned.